Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I can presentation the very easily and TubeBuddy and BIDQ use extension use and how to YouTube SEO and how to make money. Just a TubeBuddy extension and VIDQ extension. Use your Chrome browser. I can open my YouTube channel. Open there's the channel, Google account, Twitter account. Sign out here. I can click on YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. I can click on YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Click. I can screenshot. Just open YouTube Studio. Okay, open YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio open, then click here, and this is the page, your channel, your channel dashboard, creating analytics, just contain our videos. I contain use lot of my videos. Just my select these videos, the total SEO. I can select these videos. What is the Canva? And this is the click and details. I click details these videos in SEO. I click this video as you what is the Canva and Canva, and this is the this video as your first time your video title, description and thumbnail and a lot of thumbnail, playlist, etc. Then not made kits and also there is a tag and hashtag and I can use an Canva tutorial, Canva beginners, how to Canva, that use an Canva. Okay, Canva platform, Canva income. Just some receipt. I can search some YouTube keyword. YouTube SEO tools. I can search on Google YouTube SEO tools. A lot of provide Google. Just I can search YouTube SEO keyword tools. This is the lot of provide YouTube SEO. I can open YouTube SEO tools. Lot of tools provide. 3 or 4 lot of you need just your best 10 best YouTube tools. Just I can open this one, just my keyword search and United States. My keyword, this is the charts keyword Canva. Just I can copy and select this YouTube keyword tools search Canva. Just find keyword United States. Your any country selected, but I can select United States. Fine. Okay. Find keyword, verify. Just time in verify success. The lot of YouTube keyword and YouTube keyword 5.7K volume, lot of keyword. This is the keyword. Select this keyword. Select this keyword. Lot of keyword. So I can keyword just Canva tutorial. Use how to use in Canva. Just copy this keyword. Just Canva. Okay, how to Canva? I can select tag and hashtag Canva, but you can provide some keyword Canva tutorial, easy Canva tutorial. Canva make money, earn money, earn money, Canva, earn money, Canva earn money. Just select keyword. Uh, this is how to use Canva beginners, Canva tutorial, Canva tutorial for beginners using Canva, Canva design, Canva work, Canva logo. Just I can use Canva logo. Okay. Just one your Canva work. I can use and tag Canva work, Canva logo. What is Canva? Canva animation, Canva logo. Okay. Just I can select this website. This website some keyword, but I can others website charge. You just charge. This is site is Canva. Search on all, not only all, only for English. English. Okay. All globally. I can search this website. Just verify loading. A lot of keyword providing the Canva lot of tutorial Canva planting Canva tutorial Canva lot of tutorial. This is the download or copy. Lot of just select, but I can select Canva tutorial, Canva Paint, Canva tutorial for beginners, Pro and free, Canva video editor, Canva planning idea, Canva. Just I some select, just download or copy. Okay, this is my system is okay. This is item. The next YouTube keyword tools, same Canva. Just minute filter United States. Sorry, Canva. Okay, Canva just search United States. Searching this keyword. The lot of website free keyword suggest and you tag and hashtag is lot of your 100% Canva tutorial, Canva painting, Canva beginners, Canva free for pro, Canva video editor, Canva lot of Canva pro, Canva 13, Canva design. I can select Canva design, Canva design. This is a lot of score. Just you not copy on United States. You just score is download. I can Canva tutorial, Canva printing, Canva tutorial beginner, Canva pro, Canva print beginner, Canva video editing, Canva printers idea, Canva free lifetime anything, Canva class, Canva AI, Canva editor photo, Canva editor photo, some videos. This is system score 85. Then Canva till 100%. This filter restart. Lot of keyword design. This site is not downloaded, but this site is not downloaded. Is handwriting, typing on this tile. Okay, just not copy. This is the copy. Okay, edit. Canva use. Oh, this is a lot of videos. Okay, Canva painting. Just copy. Okay, so use Canva copy. Same things, ideas, a lot of YouTube provide analytic, mini Canva, download copy clips. Okay, copy clips, copy clips. Understand? Copy clips, the best keyword, 100% painting of Canva, painting Canva, painting Canva, copy. Lot of way the collect and this is the uh, others videos keyword important viral keyword and viral keyword lot of keyword explorer And this is the Canva painting beginners. Canva painting beginners. Okay. Canva painting, this keyword. Okay. Canva again. This is the 51 Canva analytic. Okay. Canva. This is the a lot of YouTube search and portal and Canva. A lot of provide then YouTube search. Okay. This is the average and suggest in Canva. Just the another the tools. This is the tools. This is tool is created in Canva use. Same things Canva use. Search on Google. Provide in Canva, Canva Pro and Canva use. This is the suggest on Google Canva tutorial how to use Canva, how to use Canva. Okay, copy and this keyword. Understand? This and a Canva for beginner. Canva for beginner. How to use on Canva. Canva. The lot of the how to use Canva app. Canva app. Okay. Canva app. Canva app. That's others YouTube views. Why you? Sorry. Why you YouTube? YouTube. The 84. The YouTube short YT. No YT. It's it. Others YouTube short how to use Canva tutorial. Canva. A lot of tutorial Canva. Canva for free. Canva for free main kitchen then. Okay. There's a lot of website Canva. Just other lot of website. Yeah, Google provide your site. Canva. This is site. A lot of website. This Canva. YouTube keyword tools free. Okay, a lot of keyword providing this site. Lot of site. Okay, best site. This is site. Canva tutorial and site. This is provide the Canva and Canva find the Canva. Total I can use same copies all keyword submit and description. Okay, description. The others description. I can use just my channel, your channel at the rate THH, teach my channel. Okay, say complete my title, description, and press. This is thumbnail. You treat any thumbnail or any thumbnail, the keyword thumbnail, and the side of Canva design. Canva, lot of design. This Canva. Okay. Lot of site. This is the which will design in today's camera. Lot of design. Free or pro. Just I can log in Canva, my Gmail. I can open the Canva. Just use an card use. Just middle term. Any video select. Just one video. Click one videos. Save and end skin. Okay. End skin. End skin. End skin. Okay. End skin. Subtitle public. These settings all your description refresh 500 tag keyword. I'm only use 485. That's country your United States state and the video location United States and this everyone and do not allowed and allowed etc etc. Just complete your thing. Video SEO is the completed video SEO video rating point 50-50. Okay. 5 to 5 tag, 5 to 5 tag volume, 5 to 5 keyword, 5 to 5 description, 5 to all 5. But is the description. Okay. 50-50 your at SE score. The BIDQ 50-50 SE score. Okay. This is just SE score 50. I can screenshot and this. Okay. Screenshot and this SE score 50 and all is complete and my title video just save. Okay, just I can save a screenshot too. Just I can open this Canva, create design and my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, just allowed is thumbnail. Just you next to the thumbnail, I can change my thumbnail. This is the change my thumbnail. Screenshot too. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, change. Complete my videos. I can check my videos. Okay, click here. Click here my videos. Click here. This is my videos. This is the skin SE skin. Okay, SE skin SEO score. Just to it. Some click. I of course copy this comment. Comment. Continue. Just like, view, and the three dots click pinned. Okay, this is the reload again my videos. Reload against my videos. Reload against my videos. Just to it. This is the title. Share in Facebook. Tag all is yellow. Pin comment. Keyword. The all video keyword presentation. Okay. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck.